Crawford is partially hard of hearing, Your Honor.
Okay.
Partially deaf, I should say.
All right. Ms. Crawford, you were arrested on a charge of injury to a child or elderly with intent of bodily injury. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir, I am seeking a court-appointed attorney.
Court appointed, okay. Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Crawford, are you gainfully employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
Well, I'm a business office manager, but I also am a HR coordinator and payroll manager.
Okay, so important positions.
It's a lot.
Okay. Do you have a bachelor's degree?
Yes, in business administration.
Okay. Do you have children to support?
I have 4 children.
And you support them?
Yes,
They live
I
with you?
am also the primary income for our household as well.
I see. Okay. One condition of your bond is likely to be that you don't have contact with whoever brought this case against you. Can you promise the judge you won't try to contact them?
No, sir, I will not. I will not contact them.
Oh, nothing further, Your Honor. We just for a reasonable bond.
Thank you.
I see something.
Oh, may she address you, Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, this charge is very serious. However, I am not guilty of this charge. I was practicing self-defense. My mother-in-law and I were having a verbal altercation. It was loud, it was heated, and she threatened to take it to my home where my children and my husband were. I stood in her way. She pushed me. I pushed back. And when she pushed me again, I don't know what happened, but I was landing backwards, hitting my head on the patio. And from there, she was on top of me the entire time. The only time that I actually fought back was when she decided to try to gouge my eyes.
Okay, thank you. I'll set your bond at $3,500. Conditions are F, G, H, K, and O. While you're out on bond, there's been a magistrate's order for protection issued between now and the 7th day of July, 2025. You can have no contact, direct or indirect. Charge of her house from residence or place of employment if she works. This order will be sent to you here in just a minute. You need to read it in its entirety and sign it.
Yes, sir.
And you also cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without consent of a physician. Thank you.
Wait.
Mr. Hilburn,
No, you're going.
No,
Okay, go ahead.
you were arrested on a warrant for sex offenders duty to register for life or 90 days. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Can you afford counsel?
No.
No.
You want a court-appointed attorney
Well, I have one right now, a court appointed.
for this same charge?
It's for, what was it? It was for the last charge that I had for this.
You
Well,
want to keep him or what do you want to do?
I need a court appointed attorney.
Okay, Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Hilburn, how long have you, did you graduate from high school in this area?
In Mobile, Texas.
Okay. Are you gainfully employed?
Yes,
What do you do?
I transport trucks.
Okay. Have you been reporting to your probation officer or parole officer?
Yes,
Okay. So you're not trying to run?
no,
Okay. Your Honor, we'd ask for a reasonable bond.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Set his bond at $7,500. Conditions are K and O. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a physician. Thank you.
You think about 750 bond him.
Okay.
Mr. Neal, you were arrested on a warrant for sex offenders duty register. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No.
Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes.
Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor. I didn't get a chance to interview Mr. Neal. Mr. Neal, how long have you lived in this town?
21 years.
If you could speak up this much.
21 years.
Okay, are you gainfully employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I weld.
Well, okay. Nothing further, Your Honor. We'd ask for a reasonable bond in this case.
Thank you. I'm gonna set your bond at 7,500. Conditions are K and O while you're out on bond. Cannot not commit any other violations against the state of Texas, any other state or the United States. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal or dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol without the consent of a physician. Thank you.
Thank you.
You'll need about 750 to bond out.
Mr. Jimenez, you've had an additional charge added. Warrant for assault of a family or household member with previous conviction. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
Yes, sir. I got one right here.
You have, is it court appointed or is it?
I have Misty Walker, but I'm finna get a by the lawyer.
Okay, so you're hiring your own attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But you can still send it to Misty Walker for right now.
Okay. At this time, there's no bond being set. You're gonna be taken before 108th District Court, and he will set your bond because of you have other pending cases.
You know, when?
Whenever the jail can get it set up. I don't have any idea. Thank you.
Let's do the final motion.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.